A very good evening to all present here. Happy Independence Day. Can you all hear me?
Miss Harshini,
Yes,
welcome.
ma'am.
Yeah. So starting, very good evening to our respectable chief guest participants and the audience. I'm Harshini R. along with Khushi Garg hosting the event today. We, the student organization Coach, find schedule you a magical event with the voices of our board hosts making our evening.
So, hello everybody. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day to one and all present here. This is me, Kushigar. Today, I proudly take the opportunity to speak few lines on this marvelous day. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being proud to be an Indian. It is observed throughout the India with flag hosting ceremonies, parades, and a lot of cultural events. But as per the situation, we are missing all these. So definitely, but we'll try our best to make this a big hit.
Yeah, and I think it's time to welcome our today's special chief guest, Ms. Sushmita Jitji, whose passion is to become a singer and who has judged a lot of shows. So, Ma'am Coach warmly welcomes you to this sweet evening. It's pleasure having you today with us. Can you give a few words about, for the participants tonight, ma'am? Ma'am, please can you turn on your mic? I think you're not audible.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Happy Independence to all of you, and I just wish all the best to all of the participants.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's our pleasure to have you in this live session. It's
Thank you.
it's amazing, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So going ahead, we are playing a video which will be followed by our national anthem. So we request to you all to stand up for the national anthem. You can sing along this if you want. So can we have a video, please?
गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही बात तुझे सलाम
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
बोलो भारत माता की
Yeah. Thank you so much, everybody. You may have seats now. I really feel goosebumps like to listen this and sing along this. It's really feel like it's a patriotism what I felt right now. And hope the same from all of you guys. Let me know in comment section. Okay, Jai Hind. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so moving ahead, let me remind you guys with the following rules. You know earlier, but okay, I'll repeat. Your performances should be not more than 3 minutes. Your song should maintain the decorum of the event. So it should be patriotic as you had been notified earlier. Your webcam should be on. So kindly switch on your webcam. Okay, participants should have good internet connection. They will be given a time of 20 seconds to set up their instruments. Students will perform according to the given sequence. But in case if they are not responding in the time given, they might be disqualified. Or in case if there is any issue, so you can mention us. So you will get a chance to perform later. The parameters for the evaluation are like confidence, presenting your skills in the runtime, your presentation skills, which really matters. The last but not least, our stars of this evening will get exciting goodies and awarded with the merit certificates. So, did I miss out anything, Harshini?
No, Khushi, you did cover up everything, and I'm very much super excited witnessing this event, and I'm confident that today's event is going to be a big hit. What say, Khushi?
Indeed, Harshini. Like, I'm super duper excited to go with this event. So, without any ado, let's call our first participant. So, who's gonna
Yeah,
be the first?
I can't wait to call upon the first participants for today. Okay, so I would call upon Miss Pragati. Pragati, are you there? Yeah, you can start.
Am I visible and audible clearly?
You are completely visible and audible. You can start. All the best.
Okay, thank you. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने हैं प्राण गवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गवा के, जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, थी धन्य जवान वो अपनी, थी धन्य वो उनकी कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद की सेना। Thank you.
I think it was a wonderful performance, and this is the best start the show could have had.
Thank you
So I
very
think
much.
it's going to be a competitive, guys. All the best. Khushi, please can you unmute yourselves?
Oh, I'm sorry. Pragati, do you want to say something? Please continue. Are you there, Pragati?
Yes, I'm there. I love very much while participating in this competition, and that's it.
Okay, thank you so much.
I was very excited and also very nervous while singing. But I wanted to keep my gist all to myself. While
You're such You're such a brave lead, yaar.
You did your best. Keep it up. And keep doing well, Pragati.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, Khushi, who's next on the line?
Okay, so like next in the line is Rohit Chaglan. Can we have
Hello.
Rohit Chaglan on the virtual?
Yeah, I'm there. Good evening, everyone. I hope
Very good.
everyone is doing well.
All are doing well. What about you, Rohit?
I'm awesome. I'm doing well.
Okay. So, I think you can start with the
Very good
performance.
start.
You are perfectly
Yeah.
fine. All the best.
All the
Thanks. So I'm going to perform now. ऐ मेरी जमी अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सो दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे ऐ मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी तेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्म से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू ओ आ सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापिस जा न सका ओ वतना वे मेरे वतना वे तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा कैसी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसदी रहे तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो ओ मई मेरी क्यों फिक्र तुझे तू आंख से दरिया बहता है तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू That's all from my side.
Oh my
That's
God.
amazing, Rohit.
Great choice of
It
selection.
was exactly. It was such an amazing performance done by Rohit. Strong competition, guys. Come on.
Yeah, I think you all have to keep it up and then do your best. So,
So Harshini was gonna be next. I can't wait to see the next performances. Literally.
yeah, me too. I think even the audience would feel the same. So, okay, next in the line we have Mr. Tushar Singh. So,
Hello.
yeah.
Hello everyone. My name is Tushar Singh. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. And today I'm here to present a song. So,
Very happy Independence Day to you too. You may proceed.
Oh, oh, संदेश से हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं। जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगी, कि घर कब आओगी, लिखो कब आओगी। ये घर सोना सोना है, सरे से आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं। जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे। कि तुमने घर सोना सोना है। ए गुजरने वाली हवा बता, मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या। मेरे गाँव जा, मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे। मेरे गाँव में है जो वो गली जहाँ रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा, उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे, उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे। वहीं थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा, मेरे घर में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ। मेरी माँ के पैरों को छू के तो उसे उसके बेटे का नाम दे। ए गुजरने वाली हवा बता, मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या। ए गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरे दोस्तों, मेरी दिलरुबा, मेरी माँ को मेरा पैगाम दे, उन्हें जाके तू ये पैगाम दे। मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, फिर अपने गाँव में उसी की छाँव में, कि माँ के आंचल से, गाँव के पीपल से, किसी के काजल से किया जो वादा था वो निभाऊंगा। मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, 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 मैं एक दिन आऊंगा। Thank you.
Oh my
my
God.
God.
It was such a mesmerized performance. Like,
Astounding. Great.
we
Thanks
really
a lot.
loved it. Like, the song you chose, like, it's amazing.
Yeah.
All right, this is my favorite song.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could see your
Same.
patriotism. We were all able to see your patriotism.
Thanks a lot.
It was a good song. It was a good song, but I think some classical work were missing. But otherwise, the song was in tune. It was in tal. But I think that some classical work that थोड़ा सा missing था उसमें मुझे लगा. Otherwise, it was a good performance.
So,
Thank you, ma'am.
no worries.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. It was indeed a very good performance. So, Khushi, what do you think? We can see the
I
patriotism.
really feel goosebumps. Like, it was an amazing, indeed.
Yeah. So, yeah, who's next on the line?
Okay, so our next participant will be Ashi Varshane. So can we have Ashi on stage? Ashi, are you there?
I think we'll give them 20 seconds and
Yeah. Till then, so how's the evening? Like it starts from like itna badhiya. I mean, it was amazing.
yeah. And I hope the best happens till the end. So let's wait. So I think Miss
We should
Ashi.
proceed now.
is not available today.
Yeah, it's
So-
fine. So,
Moving on to our next contestant, it's Miss Manjari Mukhopadhyay, if I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong with not wrong with the name.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you pronounced correctly.
Thank
A very
you.
happy Independence Day to one and all.
Happy
Happy Independence
to
Day.
you.
Yeah. So I'll be singing one of my favorite songs. So
What's your full
here
Yeah,
it goes.
sure.
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, पहुंचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, पहुंचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ए वतन मेरे वतन, लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for your performance.
that was brilliant, I must say.
So,
And let's hope for the results.
yeah, waiting. Okay, so still we have a big line. Okay. So who's the next participant?
Okay, so next participant we have is Nisha Rai.
Okay.
We have Nisha Rai on our virtual stage.
Miss Nisha?
Nisha Rai, are you there? Maybe having some network connection.
I don't think Miss Nisha is present today. Okay. Going on to the next participant, can we have Rahul Madeshya ji? I think it's pretty missing. Okay, I think Mr. Rahul is there. Excuse me, Mr. Rahul. Can we have you on stage, virtual stage? Excuse me, Mr. Rahul. Are you there?
Okay, just leave these on our team members. They will handle.
Yeah. So who's next?
Okay, so yeah, but still, like, I'm really excited to start it with the other participant performances.
You know,
Okay.
I think, you know, more than winning, it's important to participate.
Yeah,
However
that's really
tough
good.
the competition might be, it's important they come out and participate. So I think that is my perspective.
By all means, like completely agree with you, Arshini.
Yeah.
Okay, so till then, can we have our next participant, who is Siddharth Rathore? So can we have Siddharth Rathore on our virtual stage? Okay,
Yeah,
so,
he's there.
Am I
so how
audible?
are you, Siddharth? Yeah, you're perfectly audible.
I am fine.
Okay.
A very warm good evening, all of you. This is Siddhartha Rathod in front of you. I am from Lovely Professional University, BTech Computer Science and Engineering. And first of all, Happy Independence Day to all. And today
Happy
I am
Independence.
Thank
and today
you.
I am patriotic song. Actually, I have measured 4 songs, so let's start. धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला ओ धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हर मौसम रंगीला ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा ऐसा देश है मेरा हो ऐसा देश है मेरा बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए हो बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए सावन झिरझिर आए ऐसा देश है मेरा ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा हर कर्म अपना करेंगे हर कर्म अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू ओ ओ ओ संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं ये चिट्ठी आती है ये पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है ओ Thank you.
Okay, it was mix of all songs, all those important songs, patriotic songs. It was
Yes,
nice to that.
I like these all songs, so I was confused which song should I choose. So I chose
It was indeed an amazing performance, Siddharth. And as you
Yeah,
mix all the songs, so it's like एक tasty नया बन गया सभी songs को add करके.
that's
Thank
true.
you.
That's true. So, calling
So
up
can we
next.
have our next participant?
Yeah, surely. Calling up next, we have Mr. Aditya Sharma. So, can we have Aditya Sharma?
Yes, good evening to all of you and happy Independence Day to all of you present here.
Very good
Good
evening.
evening. Good evening. Happy Independence Day.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. दस नहीं सारा जहां देख लिया है कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है दस नहीं सौ पूरी दुनिया घुमा मैं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी एक मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यारी ही बस तेरा प्यार है माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। तेरे पास ही मैं आ रहा हूँ, अपनी बाहें खोल दे, दौड़ के मुझको गले लगा ले, मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे। तू ही जिंदगी है, तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है, तेरे ही पैरों में जन्नत है, तू ही दिल जा। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। Thank you so much.
Thank you for your performance, Aditya.
Thank you so much, Aditya.
I think Khushi,
Yeah, thank you.
I'm getting to remember about Sir A.R. Rahman and Lata ji. You know, all their songs. I think it's amazing, dude.
Exactly, Harshni. Like जो पुराने time के songs होते थे उसमें एक अलग ही एक spark होता था. Like I must say.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
so
true.
where are the girls? Like boys are overpowering the girls because
Yeah,
they're less in
so
number, I guess.
no issue, but then we're having a good competition.
Okay.
Yeah. So who's next?
Maybe next participant is girl, so she can spare something for us.
Yeah, I hope so.
Exactly. So without any ado, let's welcome our next participant, who is Smriti Raj. So can we have Smriti Raj on our virtual stage?
I
Hi,
don't
Smriti,
think
are you
she's
there?
present. Okay, I don't think she's present here.
I think she is present.
No.
Maybe some network issue.
Okay, in case if there's any network issue, guys, please do tell us. Participation is very important. If it's good or bad, you know, it's important to participate on everything which is possible.
Exactly. By all means, like with study ke saath saath, if we are doing like extracurricular activities, it really boosts up our confidence. So we have to participate. That is must.
Yeah.
Okay, so Harshini, without any ado, can we have our next participant?
I think, can we have Mr. Rohit Sharma?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yep.
You're perfectly
You are
audible and
completely
visible.
audible. Yeah.
Okay. So can I start?
Yeah, you may proceed.
Yeah, sure. You may proceed.
Okay. A very happy Independence Day to one and all who are present here. I'm going to sing Teri Mitti.
तलवारों पे सर वार दिए, अंगारों ने जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी से नहीं जो तेरे लिए सो दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। ऐ मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है। ओ हीर मेरी तो हंसती रहे, तेरी आग गड़ी बरनम ना हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला गुम ना हो। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। आना ना, तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rohit. Like,
It
it's
was
our
really great.
pleasure. We are blessed to hear this song from you. Such
Thank you.
amazing
Thank you.
voice.
Along with the
Thank you.
music, it was really fab. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
he
you very
himself
much.
enjoyed the performance a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm
I
enjoying
think it
its
was the
Independence
best
Day.
till date.
Everyone should enjoy this.
Yeah, I
I'm
think
sorry.
ma'am wants to say something. Ma'am, please do.
I think it was the best till now. This
Thank
was
you,
the
ma'am.
best
Thank you.
till now.
It's a huge
Thank you, ma'am.
compliment for Rohit.
Yeah, true. All the best, Rohit. And others,
Thank you.
come on,
Thank you
compete.
very much.
Have a
Thank
good
you so
competition. So next, I would like to call upon Mr. Ritesh Kumar Mishra. Can we have you, Ritesh?
Sorry, it's Vicky Kumar Mishra.
No, I think both are there. Mr. Ritesh and Mr. Vicky. So, Mr. Ritesh, are you there? Mr. Ritesh Mishra. I think I can find them in the meet, but I don't think they are able to hear me. Am I audible, Kashi?
I think it's Vicky Kumar Mishra. In like pehle Vicky Kumar
Yeah.
Mishra. So
Okay.
can we have Vicky Kumar Mishra on our virtual stage? I think
I
they're
don't
not present.
think both are not present. So, Mr. Rahul Madesha, There's a second call. Can we have you? Okay, I don't think they're there. No problem. We'll go on to next person. Can we have Miss Vaishali?
Yes.
Yeah. Please do turn on your webcam. Yeah. Great.
Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you.
Hi.
Very good
Good
evening to
evening.
you.
Here is Ms. Shali Chauhan. Firstly, I want to say wishing you all Happy Independence Day.
Thank
Happy.
you. Same to you.
And now I'm going to sing one of my favorite patriotic songs, Dil Hai Hindustani, by Udit
Yeah,
Narayan.
it's like मेरा भी favorite था ये. Okay, so you may proceed.
All the best.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। हमें प्यार चाहिए और कुछ पैसे भी, हम ऐसे भी हैं हम हैं वैसे भी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी। थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है थोड़ी है नादानी, थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है थोड़ी बेईमानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। आंखों में कुछ सपने हैं कुछ आंसू हैं, आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं। आंखों में कुछ आंसू है कुछ सपने हैं, आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं। दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, थोड़ी मजबूरी है लेकिन थोड़ी है मनमानी, थोड़ी हमें तू मैं थोड़ी खींचातानी, थोड़ी हमें बातें हैं जो लगती है दीवानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Thank you
you
for your
so
cute
much.
performance. You were so cute. Thank
Yeah, I
you.
must say, Dil Hai Hindustani, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. It was such an amazing performance. I think we
Yeah.
all really enjoyed this performance. Like, it
So
was
you
an
want to say something?
Yeah, I'm not that much good in singing, but it's my one of hobbies, so I really enjoying it by singing. Yeah, I really
Yeah, I think more than winning, enjoying yourselves and participating is really important. And
yeah, and
we
about this
really
season,
appreciate you.
and yeah, about this season, like our judges will like judge you, na? You just enjoy your performance. Like we all enjoy it a lot. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Vishali.
Thank
All
you
the
for your
best
cute
for the
performance.
results.
Yeah, all the best. So, Khushi, who do we have next?
So the next participant is Hrithik Roshan. It's Bollywood personality. Okay, so can we have Mr. Hrithik Roshan on our virtual stage?
I don't think Mr. Ritik is available. Okay.
I think he's not here.
So, is there anyone did we miss out? who didn't get a chance to
Adarsh
participate?
Pandey. I think he's gonna be the last, but not least.
Okay, I think we have Vishal Prajapati and Rahul Madeshya, Rohit Khan, Adarsh Pandey, Ritesh Mishra. I don't know why no one's coming out, but still in the meeting. Okay, so this is the last chance. If anyone has not performed, yeah, Mr. Rohit.
Karan, you want to say something?
I think he has to participate.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, Rohit, you're completely audible and visible. Thank you.
So, कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा पाकपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे, वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। राह कुर्बानियों की ना वीरान हो, तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले। फतह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है, जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले। बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। खींच दो अपने मुंह से जमी पर लगे, इस तरफ आ न पाए अब रावण कोई। तोड़ दो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे, छू न पाए माँ सीता का दामन कोई। अब तुम ही राम और लक्ष्मण साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for the
much, Rohit.
performance. We did like your performance. Thank you.
So Harshini, still like we had great performances till now.
Yep, and I think I'm gonna miss it if there's any last performer. I don't believe that we've come to the end of the list.
Oh, really? I didn't give the count of the list. Okay, so moving on, the last performer of the day. So, who is the last but not least? Who is Adarsh Pandey? Can we have Adarsh Pandey on our stage?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're perfectly
Yeah.
audible.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you may
it's
proceed
visible.
with your
I
performance.
think. Just wait for 1 second. Let it.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure, sure.
you can set your camera once.
Okay. First of all, happy Independence Day to all of us, which we are in the
Happy
group,
Independence
and
Day
it's
to you.
our. Ma'am, is my voice audible or it is breaking something like that?
Your voice is completely clear, but the camera is
You
very.
are lagging 2
Hmm.
seconds, I guess. You're completely
I
visible, but
think.
there's a little bit lag.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Hmm.
So let me start.
Yeah, sure. All the best.
All the best.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ho, 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 हो, संदेश से आते हैं हमें तरफाते हैं चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है संदेश से आते हैं हमें तरपाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे आती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है किसी दिलवाली ने किसी मतवाली ने हमें खत लिखा है ये हमसे पूछा है किसी की धड़कन ने किसी की सांसों ने किसी की चूड़ी ने किसी के कंगन ने किसी के गजरे ने किसी के गजरे ने महकती सुबहों ने मचलती शामों ने अकेली रातों ने तरसती बाहों ने मचलती शामों ने और पूछा है तरसी निगाहों ने कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये दिल सूना सूना है गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे मेरे गाँव में है वो जो गली जहाँ रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे वहीं थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा मेरे घर में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ मेरे माँ के पैरों को छू के तू उसे उसके बेटे का नाम दे गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरे दोस्त तो मेरी दिलरुबा मेरी माँ को मेरा पैगाम दे उसे जाके तू ये पैगाम दे मैं वापस आऊंगा फिर अपने गाँव में उसी की छाँव में कि माँ की आंचल से, गाँव की पीपल से, किया जो वादा था मैं निभाऊंगा। मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Adarsh. Thank you.
Thank
It
you
was a
so much,
great
Adarsh.
performance.
Yeah, by all means.
Yeah, I loved every performances, but I think it stays with the judge to select a person. And Khushi, do you think we've left someone? I
No, I
think
think all I've done.
so. In case if anyone didn't get a chance, you can come forward and then you can start with the performance. Or
If
else, I
anyone
think
left, yeah, if anyone left, they can, he or
this is
she
the
can.
last call. So if anyone is left and we've not called their names, please do come and perform on your stage, virtual stage. Mr. Rahul Madeshia. Okay.
Okay,
So
so
I think we've come to the end of the session. We can say the event. We can say. So,
this
ma'am.
was the best and like they could have had. So, ma'am, what do
Yeah.
you feel about the performances today? Like
Yeah,
few
ma'am. Few words about the performers.
Sorry for the delay. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, the performances were good, but I think, I mean, I want to have a suggestion that for a competition, it's not necessary to choose a tough song only. I mean, you can choose a simple song and then perform that gracefully. But overall, it was nice to hear all of them.
True, ma'am. I think I agree with that.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Like, I've
Yeah,
attended
ma'am.
our session.
It's our pleasure to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So yeah, Khushi, I think this is the end. So participants, it was a great evening. Hope you all did your best and enjoy the day.
Now, wait, Harshini, wait. Wait for a while. This is not the end. If anyone wants to sing, like, I think in the chat box, one of our participants, Ritesh Mishra, wants to. Okay, can we have Ritesh Mishra on our stage?
Mr. Ritesh.
Yeah, Mr. Ritesh.
Yes.
Yes, we
Hello.
wanted you to sing.
Yeah, you are
Yeah,
audible.
yeah. I'm too late.
You are still
Yeah.
not late because it's not gonna end.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
Okay. सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतनावे मेरे वतनावे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे, मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख भरी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Mr. Ritesh Mishra.
Thank you so much, Ritesh Mishra. So, ma'am, like it's our pleasure to have you in this session. Thank you so much for your time you contribute in our like in this evening. This really made our day. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am, to give me your precious time. Thank you
And
so
I
much.
hope winners.
My pleasure.
And it's Vishal.
There is some echo.
Yeah.
Wait.
Now it's fine. Now it's
Okay.
fine. Now it's fine.
Yeah, you may.
Yeah, I think we can see in the comments. We want Rohi once more. Okay. So.
Okay, ma'am,
Mr.
please
Rohan?
continue.
Yep.
Wait, Harshini, ma'am wants to say something.
Mm-hmm.
Please, ma'am, continue.
No, you can continue. I didn't say anything.
Okay, so ma'am, one thing like winners आपके पास है, but still हम अभी उसे open नहीं करेंगे. You guys have to wait till tomorrow morning. But still, all the best, all of you participants. Who's gonna be the winner? Like, I'm really excited to know.
Yeah.
But still,
So. I think winner of today's event will be declared on 16th August 2021, that is tomorrow. So wait until tomorrow. Please be in contact with our admins. They will tell you the winner of this event. But then I wholeheartedly congratulate everyone for joining this event, because participation is very more important than you win or not.